So there's where I hit the tree. I guess it pulled the fender out further than I thought. And I think it bent the inner fender. But I've beat on it like a red-headed stepchild and pushed that fender back a little bit. Kind of cratered in this a little more. Broke my almost good light. That wheel there was in the back of the 78 Ford when we got it back after it being stolen. Tire's like brand new. I mean, that tire's got over half tread on it. But I've beat on this fender. Still a little dented right. Still was a little dented there. But the door actually still opens okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. And apparently the window leaks a little. Or the seal. Oh, did it really mess up again? There we go. Stupid latch in this door and that other door get real bad. But anyway, we're gonna see if it'll start. Let's see. I always forget what the stupid thing is. Get the stupid hood open. The wrench. Get the hood prop in it. Sorry about that. I have the bungee cord, the right amount of bungee cord to hold the grill in, because it looks really stupid without that grill. Until I crash into another tree and break it. And when I hit that tree, this was wedged in where that fender goes on. So yeah, and I think I pushed this back further than what it was, because I used to set it like that one. I'm pretty sure when I hit the tree, because I hit the tree like right here. I'm surprised it didn't break the light out. I have it disarmed for thieves not to steal it. I probably should not show that. So let me get the thing hooked up. So the coil's liquid cooled, which is pretty sweet, honestly. I don't know what that's for. Oh, that's for the park lights. Well, I could tap into that for running lights and turn signals that it used to have there that I ran over because they fell out of the back of the truck. There's a little bit of snowbank left. Wet snow. There's one of the park lights out of the other 94 or 94 F-150. I used to have a light here. I moved it up there on that. Oh, let me show you my custom exhaust. So this is a pipe off of a satellite dish, which in turn gets hooked into where I welded, and I put two lovely salt tappers in that to hold that on, because it used to dump out under the truck and it'd heat the bed up. I did have a stack in here. You probably remember that stack come up through a hole that I cut in the bed with a grinder. And this bed's pretty shot. I mean, the inside's actually pretty nice, but anyhow. So I need the ground hooked up. I need to take the battery out of this because I need it for a pickup truck I may or may not be getting. Pop that coolant cap, see how frozen that is. It's green. And we'll just pump the crap out of it, and maybe it'll start. Pretty sure the mice has been in here still. They built a nest in the blower motor. I wonder where that hooks up. Oh, mystery wires. There's mystery wires up under the dash too. So I fixed the carburetor, kinda. I figured out why it runs like crap. That's because that carburetor is too big for this motor. I'm pretty sure that's off of, or it's supposed to be for like a 306. I mean, so if I get a 306 manifold for my other truck, I could probably put that carburetor in. That's a reman, so even better. I also whacked my hood, but that could be easily knocked back out if I forgot already. So let's fire it up, if it'll fire up. Probably should check that oil. Yep, looks good. So anyhow, oh, power steering. That's always a plus. Oh, it's full. Probably gonna hear the traffic behind me. Oh, it's a funeral procession. Oh, well, Moses. All right. Let me get the ignition key and see if it'll fire up. What if it'd like a little snow? I'm sure it'll love it. Don't worry, I sprayed water down it the other week. So you just rake it into the intake. It'll suck it up. I'm not kidding, that's actual snow. It just loves it. Anyway, normally starts right up. I never have any issues out of it not ever starting. Except for when I first got it, it didn't start up too well for the longest time until I took that air cleaner off of it and left it off. It's probably going to sit here and backfire out at the intake. Oh, that gummit. So anyway, if I slam that too hard, it might eventually lock it. I might not ever be able to get it unlocked. Here's an exhaust. It's just catalytic converter. I ran over, so when I first got it running, I took it out for a bagging. But I bagged right into a rock. Yeah, I bagged right into a rock and hit that catalytic converter. When I was ripping around, I looked back and there's pieces of catalytic converter all sprayed out on the ground. Get my bipod. So I got the titties. That still works. The reverse lights, they still work. That one there does nothing, but you know. Always forget that's in there. Got extra tools in there. I think the radio works still. Yep. If you can see the hood, it's like messed up. This thing drives actually pretty decent. Oh, you hear the mud slinging off. Titties are titty tasseling around. Oh, pressure gauge is a little unhooked. There's my pile. And the right amount of breakage. And flip on the reverse lights here. Let you see them. Yeah. Oh, no, it's gonna roll away on me. put on the e-brake. Actually, you know, surprisingly, that e-brake actually works, even though there's only one drum on one side. Yeah, there's my reverse lights. I still got the main one hooked up. It didn't work, and then it started working, and then it didn't work, and then it started working. I don't know, I think the wiring's a little butched. I don't know, no idea if that even dings. Snow tires for 25 bucks, wheels and tires both. Those actually rip around pretty decent. I need to get the tire chains and put on it, mock the rear end. Aw, it quit working. Or is it? Nah, it quit working. I think. Yeah, it quit working. Oh well, one less thing to go wrong, right? This one still works though. I think the headlights, most of the headlights come on. Because after I wrecked, I smashed it into that tree on purpose. Whatever you want to say. Oh yeah, they still work. High beam, that one comes on, the one in the middle, the spotlight. Which is this. This should still work. I wired it up on high beam. Anyway, there's cold start. I know it's 11 minutes, but anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.